Family. I was asked to show a few of my little gadgets on my grill and what I've been doing, so I'm gonna show you a few things. These here, they pops off on the side, so that way when I'm hauling it or you want to move it out your way, you can be able to release it. So you just put a little pressure up on it and they'll fall down. So now you got it released, and this will come out. You know, say if you're sitting something over here, if you got a deep fry or something, or some other food or something that you holding over here, your condiments or whatever, you can sit it over here. And this is just a handle when you get ready to pick it up. You know, it's one on both sides. Then down here we have a release, and I got it where you just twist this little deal. See, you twist it and then hold it. And I have to put one on this one right here, so that way you can pick it up and flop it down. So I got to put the release and catch it on this one. And here goes the other handle. So I got some bars I got to get to come down here for the wood. So this part is almost done. Like I said, I'm gonna have 2 trays in here, and I'm gonna do something different. I've been watching other people do their trays, and they use angle. This is round bar, and I got a smooth, cooler idea. So I'm gonna try this out and see how this works. Smoke stack. I'm a hog up here soon. That's how that runs. That's pretty much what I got going, man.